Okay, now we have the dummy variables all set up. So let's look at what the model will look like. So we have x_1 is square footage, x_2 is age, x_3 and x_4 together represent condition. And then we have the error term. So our estimate will be y hat equal to 4 slope coefficients for the corresponding x's. All right, so now let's go ahead and run the regression analysis using data analysis, regression. Okay, so it has the previous information there, so we have to set it up again. So selling price is y. The x is now down here, square footage, age, and the two dummy variables. Okay, label is checked, and K66. All right, let's click OK. So now we have the results. All right, let's look at the estimate. So this is your B_0. So B_1 with square footage, B_2 with age, and then for the two conditions. All right. So what are the, let's first do the hypothesis test. So overall hypothesis test, overall significance. Okay, so that will be all the beta coefficients are equal to 0 or at least one different from 0. So I did not specify h_1. Okay, so with this we know what the h_1 is going to be. So the p-value is from f. Significance of f is the p-value, and the alpha is 5%. Let's assume it's 5%. Okay, and of course this is very small compared to 5%, so we reject the null hypothesis, which means overall regression is significant. All right, so now let's look at individual significance. What about beta_1? So square footage, then the hypothesis whether beta_1 is equal to 0 or not, and the p-value for that comes from square footage. So okay, let's express that as a percentage as well. All right, so now we can copy that down for the rest of them. So we have the individual, the age and condition excellent, condition mint, and they're all less than 5%. So they're all significant.